Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we will practice easy English in Hyogo, Japan.
Hyogo? That sounds exciting.
Yes, Hyogo has beautiful castles, port towns, hot springs, bridges, islands, and delicious food.
I want to learn useful travel English today.
Great. Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, enjoy the trip, and learn little by little.
Today, our topic is a beautiful day in Hyogo.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Welcome to Hyogo.
Thanks, Emily. Kobe feels stylish and relaxed.
Yes, Kobe is a famous port city in Hyogo.
I can see the mountains and the sea.
Good sentence. I can see the mountains and the sea.
I can see the mountains and the sea.
Kobe is special because the mountains and the sea are close together.
That makes the city feel unique.
Unique means different in a good way.
Kobe feels unique and beautiful.
Great phrase.
I am ready to explore Hyogo.
Now, let's walk around Kobe Harbor.
The waterfront is beautiful.
Yes, this area is popular for walking, shopping, and taking photos.
How can I describe this view?
You can say, the harbor view is stunning.
The harbor view is stunning.
Stunning means very beautiful or impressive.
The harbor view is stunning.
You can also say, I love the ocean breeze.
I love the ocean breeze.
That sounds natural.
This place feels relaxing.
Next, let's visit Himeji Castle.
Wow, it is so bright and beautiful.
Himeji Castle is one of the most famous castles in Japan.
It looks elegant and powerful.
Good sentence. It looks elegant and powerful.
It looks elegant and powerful.
You can say, the castle looks majestic.
The castle looks majestic.
Majestic means grand, beautiful, and powerful.
The castle looks majestic.
Would you like to take a picture here?
Yes, this is a perfect photo spot.
Now, let's see the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge.
The bridge is huge.
Yes, it connects Kobe and Awaji Island.
How can I describe this bridge?
You can say, this bridge is breathtaking.
This bridge is breathtaking.
Breathtaking means very beautiful or amazing.
This bridge is breathtaking.
You can also say, the ocean view is refreshing.
The ocean view is refreshing.
Good. This is a useful travel phrase.
I want to remember this view. Emily, I am getting hungry.
Then, we should try Kobe beef.
Kobe beef sounds famous and special.
Yes, Kobe beef is known around the world.
How can I order it politely?
You can say, I'd like Kobe beef, please.
I'd like Kobe beef, please.
Good. It is simple and polite.
This beef looks tender.
Tender means soft and easy to eat.
The beef is tender and rich.
Great sentence.
Hyogo food makes me happy.
I can see that. Hyogo also has famous hot springs.
Where should we go?
Let's visit Arima Onsen.
This town feels warm and peaceful.
Arima Onsen is one of Japan's famous hot spring areas.
How can I say I want to relax?
You can say, I want to relax in the hot spring.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
Excellent. Relax means to rest and feel calm.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
This is a perfect sentence for a trip.
Arima Onsen feels peaceful.
There is another beautiful hot spring town in Hyogo.
What is it called?
It is Kinosaki Onsen.
The canal and the lights are beautiful.
Yes. Many visitors enjoy walking around in yukata.
How can I describe this town?
You can say, this town has a nostalgic atmosphere.
This town has a nostalgic atmosphere.
Nostalgic means it makes you feel connected to the past.
This town has a nostalgic atmosphere.
Would you like to walk slowly here?
Yes. I want to enjoy this quiet evening.
Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1. I am ready to explore Hyogo.
I am ready to explore Hyogo.
Number 2. The harbor view is stunning.
The harbor view is stunning.
Number 3. The castle looks majestic.
The castle looks majestic.
Number 4. I'd like Kobe beef, please.
I'd like Kobe beef, please.
Number 5. I want to relax in the hot spring.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
Number 6. This town has a nostalgic atmosphere.
This town has a nostalgic atmosphere.
Now, let's practice shadowing.
Please repeat after us.
I am ready to explore Hyogo.
I am ready to explore Hyogo.
The harbor view is stunning.
The harbor view is stunning.
The castle looks majestic.
The castle looks majestic.
I'd like Kobe beef, please.
I'd like Kobe beef, please.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
This town has a nostalgic atmosphere.
This town has a nostalgic atmosphere.
Great job. Your English is getting better.
Little by little, we can improve.
Today, we visited Hyogo and practiced easy English.
We enjoyed Kobe, Himeji Castle, Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, Kobe beef, Arima Onsen, and Kinosaki Onsen.
Hyogo was stylish, historic, relaxing, delicious, and full of beautiful views.
I really enjoyed the harbor, the castle, the bridge, and the hot springs.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
Practice little by little every day.
What place should we visit next?
Kyoto, Osaka, Nara, Nagasaki, or another place?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye!